Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do deployments in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the deployments are done from your sandboxes to your production organization. Basically, the production is where you are working now or where you have your operation now. In Sandbox, where you can start using any or adding feature and start testing whatever you like, and then you can deploy these changes to your production. So now we need to go to our sandboxes first. So let's just access to the sandbox, and from there, I'm just going to log in into this sandbox. So I'm just going to click on login, and it will take me to the login page. So after we log in to our sandbox, all we need to do is to go to the setup, and from there we will need just to go and click on setup here, and we need to go to the change sets. So now we need just to wait for the page to load, and we search for change sets, and we want to go to the inbound, and which are the changes that goes from your current organization to your sandbox to your developer or to your production. So we want to go to our outbound, and from there you can create new change sets, and I'm just going to call it new, and from there I'm just going to click on save, and now you choose all the object that you want to change. So this is just some sets, and from here you can add the set components. So basically you can choose any components that you would like to add the changes or that you want to migrate. For example, I'm just going to add the button and links, and I'm just going to click on add to change set. So at the end, you will need just to click on upload, and from there you will need to upload to your production, and then you will have your uh, deployment that has been done. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.